Morning. Now, following on from yesterday when we were talking about these things here, the question came up is which is the best one to fit? Well, these aluminium ones, like these silver ones, really have had the day. There are better ones. Now, people saying about putting loft cylinders in and TRW ones. Well, I found out the TRW one, which was PND 319, I'll put a link here and I'll put a link in the description below. They're black and they have this type of piston, which is far superior than this type. Now, it's been in the comments in the video that you can see there's a distinct difference, but you can see where they've shifted this seal further forwards and the contact area here is reduced to reduce friction in the bore. However, on this side here, this is running in oil, hydraulic oil. That's a good thing. Whereas this one, the hydraulic oil is at this side and this side's running dry, so that's why they tip over. Now, just as an interesting fact, why these didn't sort of wear out too much, because they were fitted to all sorts of cars in all different manners. Some didn't have a reservoir on the top, some had a remote reservoir. It was still the same thing, 3/4 inch. Alright, it's no problem. But when they were designed in the 50s, then cars weren't all that powerful, and the more power you need, more powerful engine you have, the more clamping pressure you need on your clutch, and this is very important. Now, I couldn't find out the clamping pressure of the old series trucks, but I did find out that the 300 TDI clamp pressure is 670 kilos or 1,477 pounds. It's kind of a lot to push with your foot, isn't it? Then they went on to TD5, exactly the same one. They upped it to 800 kilos or 1,764 pounds. So you can see what's happening is, as Mr. Newton said, that every action's got an equal and opposite reaction. When you're pushing down this way, this has got resistance this way because you're pressing against the fluid. So the fluid, you're trying to push the fluid this way, but there's a reaction this way, which in turn is causing this piston to go like this. This one is running in oil. This is a lot better. So that means it's less liable to tip because this isn't wearing out the cylinder. Alright, so get the black ones. Now be careful with this because there are some black ones on the North American market. I'm shooting in the wind here, but I think they're for Dodges or something like that. They're very, very similar, but the rod's different. They're sold as a replacement. In my opinion, it would have been great if we could have put some sleeves in there, stainless steel sleeves, and it didn't matter really about that after that, but they're too expensive to modify. That's the downside of it. Not really worth it. So look out for those master cylinders. TRW, let's read it out again. TRW PND 319. Google that number. Don't use the original Land Rover number, which is STC 500100. You'll come up with that. Alright? Just a bit of info for you.